Hello my wonderful students and welcome to a new class. I'm Miss Milagros and today in the unit of How We Share the Planet, we are going to remember about farm animals and help Doodle Bunny. But first, let's sing a song. Let's go!
One banana, two bananas, 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas for me. 4 bananas, 5 bananas, 4, 5, 6. 6 bananas for me. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bananas for me. 11, 12, 13. 13 bananas for me. 14, 15, 16. 16 bananas for me. 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 bananas for me. Bananas to the left. Bananas to the right. Bananas turn around. Bananas sit down. Now peel your bananas and take a bite.
Excellent! Now let's go to Doodle Bunny's farm and help him count and add his farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go, Doodle Bunny. How many animals do you see?
I see 1 horse and 2 foals. 1 and 2 makes 3. I see 3 animals.
How many animals do you see?
I see 1 cow and 3 calves. 1 and 3 makes 4. I see 4 animals.
How many animals do you see?
I see 2 goats and 3 kids. 2 and 3 makes 5. I see 5 animals.
Very good. How many animals do you see?
I see 3 pigs and 7 piglets. 3 and 7 makes 10. I see 10 animals.
Wonderful. How many animals do you see?
I see 3 sheep and 9 lambs. 3 and 9 makes 12. I see 12 animals.
Wonderful. How many animals do you see?
I see 6 ducks and 13 ducklings. Wow! 6 and 13 makes 19. I see 19 animals. Wow!
Wonderful. How many animals do you see?
I see 5 dogs and 6 puppies. 5 and 6 makes 11. I see 11 animals.
Very good. How many animals do you see?
I see 4 hens and 14 chicks. Wow! 18. I see 18 animals.
Wonderful! How many animals do you see?
I see 6 cats and 14 kittens. Aww. 6 add 14 makes 20. I see 20 animals. Thank you. Goodbye.
Wonderful! You did amazing! I can't wait to see you in our next Zoom meeting. That is all for now. Until then, goodbye!